Holiday event scams can be anything but merry. Welcome to Wise Wednesdays, a weekly video series where we give you BBB tips and tricks to help you become a wiser consumer. I'm Nicole Thomas, Communications Director at BBB, serving Northern Indiana, and today we're talking about holiday event scams. The holidays are usually filled with a host of events, from holiday parties to pop-up gift markets and craft shows. Like everything else in 2020, COVID-19 has changed the way that we attend events. This has caused many vendors to seek out ways to hold these types of events virtually. While these virtual events may sound like a creative solution, they can turn into a payday for scammers. Here's how. You hear of a fun online event being held nearby, so you do a quick Google search and find a social media post with a link requiring payment for your ticket. But the event information you found may have been posted by a scammer not affiliated with the real holiday market. Though the site where you found the information may seem legitimate, con artists can easily make fake websites look official. Another element to this scam focuses on online markets where vendors post photos of their products and links to their websites. Be aware of these products and links because they may have been posted by scammers. Some consumers report to the BBB that they clicked the links provided, thinking that they led to an online shop, but instead the sites downloaded malware to their devices. Here are some BBB tips to protect yourself against these virtual event scams this season. Number 1. Is there an admission fee? Visit the event's website directly to see if you need to purchase a ticket for the virtual event. Be very suspicious if free in-person events that you've attended in the past now have an admission fee. If this happens, contact the event coordinator directly to help prevent other virtual attendees from being scammed. Number 2, research vendors and the host. If the event is unfamiliar to you, research the host and list of vendors ahead of time. If you're unsure if a shop is legitimate, do an online search for the vendor store rather than following the link provided. Number 3, always use a credit card. Credit card companies are more likely to provide refunds if the event ends up being bogus. Third-party payment providers and debit cards often do not have the same fraud protections as a credit card. Number 4, keep your receipts. Make note of all your purchases and save your receipts. If you have a question about a product or need to make a return, you'll have the vendor's information readily available. Number 5, review the cancellation policy. Visit the venue's website or contact the business directly. Given the uncertainty of the pandemic, each vendor or host is more than likely going to have their own policy in handling refunds, exchanges. If you spot a scam, whether you've lost money or not, report it to the BBB Scam Tracker at bbb.org/scam tracker. Your story can help other consumers avoid similar scams. Visit bbb.org/shop-safe for more tips to keep your holiday gifts safe this year. Thank you for watching, and remember, we post a video every week with BBB tips and tricks to help you become a wiser consumer. See you next week.